Hi, Celine sayang. Now I'm quite okay already. I still got headache, but I think my stomach is alright. I can took my dinner just now. Thank you, Celine sayang. But still got headache lah. Okay, Celine sayang. I want to sleep. You also sleep alright? Okay, Celine sayang. Okay. Okay. Good night, Celine sayang. I miss you. I love you. I want you. I'm longing for you. Let me kiss you. Celine sayang. Good night. Bye.